Welcome to School Building Emergency Evacuation VR Training. Training topic: Firefighting equipment, escape and self-aid methods in case of a fire in the school building. Attention, students! Fire alarm activated. A fire was dedicated on the third floor of the laboratory. For your safety, please do not panic. Follow the guidance of the school staff and orderly evacuate. Hold the door. The temperature is normal. Please open the door and escape. Please find the faucet. Turn on the tap. Pick up a towel. Cover your nose and mouth with a wet towel. There is a block of fire ahead. Please open or crush the fire extinguisher case. Pull the safety and take the fire from the fire extinguisher. The fire is now under control. Proceed to find the safe exit. Congratulations! You have successfully evacuated the building.